travel document naman na po si Mayor Baste prior pa po doon sa set ng boxing match. Ano pong reaction niyo po doon, sir?
I'm not aware of the travel document. At saka, well, sarado na nga yun eh. Pero saying that, no, hindi naman yan ang una niya yung sinabi, di ba? Hindi naman yan ang kondisyon niya nung unang i-invite natin siya na mag-participate tayo sa isang charity boxing match. Ang una niya sinabi kaagad, drug test sa lahat ng government officials. Obviously, afterthought na yung travel documents na yun. Di ba? Saka, it's just a boxing match. Sporting event lang yan na fundraising. Walang pinagkaiba yan sa nagpapagolf ka. Di ba? We are participating in golf. Nagpa-fundraising din. We are participating in shooting competition. Fundraising din. We are participating in running fun runs. Fundraising din. So, what's the difference? We want to participate in a boxing match. Fundraising din. No difference. Okay? Saka ando naman ang lahat ng opisyales at ando naman ng security and safety safeguards. You know? Kaya lang, medyo yun. Magkakasubukan siguro dahil ito tunggalian. Meron tayong ping-pong tournament. Fundraising din. Badminton tournament. Fundraising din. Ngayon, very, very popular. Pickleball tournament. Fundraising din. So, it's just another sporting event.